Hey everyone, welcome back to Reptiles and Resin, where today we're doing a BB Craft unboxing. Woohoo! And up first, I just took it out the packaging because it just makes it simpler. But up first, this is the Honey Handy DIY Coaster Silicone Molds for, let's see, you get two of them, and this one is $4.69. My camera's wigging out, I think, on the light thing for some reason. And these are like little jewels that you can pour and add to things. Y'all know how we like stuff like that. So yeah, you get two of them. And you have the little teardrops, a little raindrop or teardrops, triangle, square. You have hearts, oval shape, circle, like a faceted, or some kind of jewel. I don't know what it is. But, and then a diamond shape. And both of these are exactly the same. So yeah, we're going to have some fun with these. Yep, we surely are. We're going to be filling those up. Now, that's that one. The next one, oh, you get two of these, too. Ooh, this is a chunky mold. This is the Honey Handy Silicone Mold, Resin Casting Mold, jewelry making, nuggets, things like that. And this one was $15.59, but look at this mold. Oh God, no, there's more. No wonder it's so thick. There, oh Lord, you get, I did not realize that you get 5 of these. Oh wow, I wonder how much these hold. I did not know that. You get 5 of these, and these are some really deep, like, jewels in here. Hopefully y'all can see this. Those are some deep jewels. So yeah, can you imagine making us some jewels and putting them in our scrappies? Yes. See, I have plans. Always thinking about the scrappies. So yeah, you get 5 of them for $15.59. 5 molds, and these molds are made really good. This is thick silicone. It's not scrawny silicone there. So that's, I only got 4 molds today. This one, oh Lord, you get 2 of these too. Okay, you get 2 of these. This is the Honey Handy DIY Fairy Tale Mushroom House mold. And it was $19.75, but you get 2 of them. Oh, he's nice and squishy. So it is a literal fairy house in here. And you got all kind of little plants. You got the windows around here. So yeah, you can pour this in many things. You can paint this out. You can go ahead and pour it. Look at the little mushroom. It's got the little tops. It's got windows in it. Like I said, little flowers. We'd probably be able to turn it out and paint it. You can pour oh gracious, the polyurethane, have it all white. You can pour the mixed mold or cast, you know, like the casting craft stuff in here, and then paint it with markers. Or you can pour it with resin. So yeah, you get 2 of these, and it's $19.75. That's not bad at all. Oh, let me move this out the way. Yeah, that's a good size mold too. And we have one more, and this one is like a kit. This one is called the Oli Craft DIY Resin Casting Mold Kit with mountain style silicone molds. Now this one has a lot of different molds in it, but they're like reversible mountains. So you pour one side and then you pour the other and you connect them together. So you've got a lot of different, I don't know what that one's for. It's just a clear base. But you got all of these, and this is the big one. This is a big one as well. So they're all like mountain ranges. And then you get this one, which is a little bent out of shape, but he'll come back to life. And all of them are reversible. So this is like your mountain peak. And then when you pour this one, it would sit on top of it. So basically this is the size of your square you're going to get. But one side is shiny, the other one is matte. So yeah, I'm thinking that's how that goes. Am I right or wrong? You know what? I could be wrong about that, you know. You could have to put... that's a good question. Do you pour both sides or just one? And then make two of that one? Huh. Well, I guess we'll be experimenting on that one now, won't we? Now, the kit also comes with... Oh, here's some more. Oh, ain't these cute? Little bitty thing. You know, you can make some little scenes with these. See, I'm thinking it's double-sided. Like I said, you pour one side and then you pour the next. But we will be playing with these and find out. And then you get one cup, a silicone cup. And that's all with this kit. And then you get some, flakes, silver and gold. Let's see, what is it called? The little foil flakes. You get some foil flakes with it. These, what in the world are these? I don't know what these plastic shaker mold things? You know what? I think they are the acetone, the sheets. Huh. Why would I need them for these though? Well, anyway, we've got some and they're nice and thick. And I'm pretty sure you're supposed to peel this off because it looks a little like filmy. I think you get 40, it's clear, about 48 piece set. So I'm not sure how many's in here, but it looks like a good little bit. I know this ain't 48, but it's supposed to be a 48 piece set. It might be about 20 in here probably. And then with this set, let's see, what's in the bag? What's in the bag? You get some pipettes. This is why I never buy any, because they always come in a kit. These little stir sticks are good for the crushed crystal. That I like to just dip it in, let it fall. I don't tap it to fall off, but just let it dangle and then tap it. And that's all you need, because that crushed crystal can get out of hand. And I don't put it in everything, because it can take over. But it's good for some things. Oh, there's another pipette. But yeah, I like these little, they're cheap. But hey, I like these little things right here. And I'm going to stick everything. I had some pipettes up here somewhere. Oh yeah, I see them. They're on that side though. I'll do that later. So yeah, I'm going to just put all these, I'm going to put these over here where I've got some more at. Because I like these. So yeah, I can't wait to try these. I want to just, I think this is going to be our next pour, these right here, because I'm really interested in how you do this. Like I said, I don't know if you just pour one side and then you pour the next and then they go together. But I at least want to try at least one or two of the big ones. We might not try them all. Oh, and then you get, I call these little finger gloves or fingerlets. You get some of those. So yeah, that's what we got for this month for BB Craft. I tried to get a little something different that we can try. Now these jewel molds are just awesome. That's going to be some huge behind jewels. those would probably look good in the big old giant turtle we have from Julie Cuts. That giant turtle makes some beautiful, yeah, you know what? We might do that for Turtle Tuesday. We might make some of these, fill the shell with it. You know what? Turtle Tortoise Tuesday, giant turtle coming up. Yep, I'm going to put all this away. But if y'all do not know about BB Craft, they are awesome. You do not have to be into resin to order from them. You could be a jewelry maker or anything like that. They have all kind of crafting stuff for your crafting needs. They are awesome. But yeah, I will try to show y'all close up. See how the camera just wigs out? Or at least it's showing me it's wigging out. But that's what... Is it going to show it good? That's what the house looks like. And then that one, and that one. I will link everything for you guys on the video. But if you want to become an affiliate of the BB Craft program, go join up. It's easy. If you have 100 or more subscribers, you're in the game. Excuse me, you guys. But yeah, we got some goodies to play with. And I didn't even know these came with that. We can always use these for shakers, like shaker turtles or whatever. We can use those. I'm not sure what you're supposed to do with this one. Maybe you could put 2 of these in here, maybe? Not quite sure. But yeah, these would be good for mountain scenes in the background. These little ones. Underwater. They don't just have to be mountains. There's mountains underwater too. So yeah, I like these. We're going to try these out though on our next video. Well, not next video because tomorrow is Froggy Friday. We got to do Froggy Friday. So we'll be playing with these Saturday because tomorrow is Froggy Friday. And we can't miss Froggy Friday. You know what? I'm going to find something to put all these in. I don't want to lose all these little molds. But yeah, this is the first because I'm interested in how this... That's why I got this one because I was interested in how it looked. So this will be the first one we pour. I think the houses will probably be the last one we pour. This one looks intimidating, but I'm up for the challenge. Because I plan on painting this bad boy. And it's a matte mold, so the best thing to do is paint it with either flakes, which probably won't happen because I'll have flakes everywhere, or the chameleon powders, because with a matte mold it's going to be matte, or pour it white and paint it. We'll see. So yeah, this will probably be the third one we do because this one, definitely want to see how that goes. I'll put this up. And this, we're going to use these jewels, and they are deep. I want to say these are like, let me see. Oh, Lord. You know, I done organized my drawer and I moved my tape measure, but I got it. They look about 1 inch. You know what? They are 1 inch deep. You know, I'm going to measure one of these with water just to see how much resin it takes. And that way I'll know. Because, yeah, these are 1 inch deep on all of them. But those are some big, pretty jewels. And they are shiny on the inside. So, yeah, we're gonna make a jeweled turtle. You know what I think I'm going to do? Just get all kind of glitters and put in a few of them, some alcohol, some mica powders, just all kind of colors, and put in this, and we're going to make a giant turtle. But like I said, I just want the jewels in the shell. So yeah, I think that's exactly what we're going to do. So that's good. Yeah, I just need to measure this and see how much it takes. because these are 1 inch deep. And this one looks to be about 2 inches wide. But you're very interested. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I know it's not that long of a video, but hey, we got some projects, 4 projects here. Yep, we surely do. And I can't wait to see how you pour these. Y'all might already know. If y'all know, let the old girl here know. But yeah, I want to make these not tomorrow. Why do I keep saying tomorrow? Saturday. We're gonna do these Saturday because Froggy Friday's coming before these. So Froggy Friday, woohoo! So yay! And I will see y'all later, Gators. Y'all have a blessed day. I appreciate all of y'all, and thank y'all so much for watching. Stay tuned for our Froggy Fridays and our Turtle Tortoise Tuesday coming up. And I will see y'all tomorrow. Bye, loves.